Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by assembling essential documents and lodging the initial request. Start now. Submit ID, proof of ownership, and the completed application form. This triggers the utility inspection. Once done, pay the prescribed connection fee and schedule the site visit. Make sure to note the inspection date and any reference number. It will be needed for follow-up. You're moving the process, not waiting. Confirm transformer availability and advise the inspector of expected load so they can plan required hardware. You host the inspector and walk the site together to finalize the wiring plan. Ask why they choose specific cable sizes, earthing placement, and protective device ratings. This prevents undersizing and safety issues. Once agreed, the crew will issue a written estimate listing materials, labor, and permit conditions. Sign or accept to authorize work. Make sure to ask for a start date and expected completion time, and retain the permit reference so you can track progress with the utility. You finish by having the utility install and energize the meter, verify the meter serial number and that seals are intact. Then test each circuit and safety devices, RCD, breakers, and earthing resistance, to confirm correct operation, record readings and photos for proof. If you encounter no power or tripping, first isolate the circuit, then call the utility with your application reference and evidence. A common fix is a loose neutral or incorrect earthing. Keep calm, document.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.